Hi everyone, for today's lesson we are going to learn about verifying inverses by composition. Our learning targets for today are very simple. I can verify functions are inverses of each other by using compositions. So we have talked about compositions before. That is where you substitute a function into another function in their exposition. So when it comes to verifying functions, so let's say that you are given two functions, f and g, and you are told that they are inverse functions of each other. So in order to prove that, what we're going to do is we're going to show that f of g of x, when all simplified down, is simply going to equal x. And, so you have to do both. When you do g of f of x, when everything is all simplified down, it also equals x. Both compositions must equal x. If both compositions end up equaling x, then they are inverses of each other. Now, please note that g could also be f inverse of x. So I just want you guys to be aware that sometimes you might see both notations of g and f inverse of x. So in example number 1, what we want to do is we want to verify that f of x and g of x are inverse functions of each other. Once again, you must show both compositions because we are verifying. You can't just show it works for one, it has to work for both. So the first thing I'm going to do, so step 1 is I'm going to show f of g of x equals x. Now remember that functions really just mean that we have f of something equals 4 times that something plus 2. We're substituting values into this function in the x position. Same thing goes with g. G just means g of something equals 1/4 times that something minus 1/2. So these are all of your functions. So whenever we do inverses, we always start on the inside and work our way out. The inside we have g of x, which is 1/4. So 1/4 x minus 1/2. And we're going to substitute this function into our f function. So that is f of 1/4 x minus 1/2. And I'm going to substitute it directly into my f function. So that is 4 times 1/4 x minus 1/2 plus 2. And now I'm going to simplify. 4 times a fourth, that is equal to 1x. 4 times negative half is negative 2. And then I'm going to write plus 2. Negative 2 plus 2, that's 0. So that just showed that f of g of x equals x. Let's go ahead and look at step 2.